Buckle, the principal, took down the law commandment. Never stand on the swivel chair, said Officer Buckle, but Miss Topple didn't hear him. Then one day, Natville Police Department brought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give his safety speech at the school, Gloria went along. "Children, this is Gloria," announced Officer Buckle. "Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit." And Gloria sat. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. The children sat up and stared. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting at attention. She was. Right there, there's Gloria. That's what made the children stare. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before somebody slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. "Good dog," he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he'd discovered that morning. Right there, that's Gloria acting to the safety tip. Never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it. The audience roared. Then Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He'd never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After this safety speech, there wasn't a single accident. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Natville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawing showed a lot of imagination. Right there, there's the letters. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend Claire. P.S. I always wear a trash helmet." Safety tip number 7. Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. "Officer Buckle," they said, "our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring along that police dog." There's the star-shaped letter. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. And right there, Gloria's getting autographs. Gloria's giving autographs to all the children. And that kind of looked like a second grade classroom. Those kind of look like second graders. It is. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle on the State College auditorium. And right here you can see they have shirts that no banana peels. Yep. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms, the students jumped to their feet and applauded. "Bravo, bravo," they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. There's there, that's what's happening.
Oh,
On
I
the scene.
noticed that.
Yeah. Right there.
Look at Gloria. It's like,
She's having, it looks like she's having an electrical shock. The next day, the principal of Natville School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway. Oh, said Mrs. Buckle. Well, how about Gloria? She could come. Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school. Gloria sat on the stage looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left Natville School, Natville School had the biggest accident ever. Maybe I should show you the picture. There's Gloria sitting on stage, and everybody else is asleep, and so is she. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, splosh. Everyone slid smack into Mrs. Topple, who screamed and let go of her hammer. Look, right there's the hammer, and there's Claire, and it's cracked on it, and it's, yeah, I know, something weird's gonna happen next. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. P.S. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought it was best safety tip yet. Right there, that's what happened. The hammer hit Claire on the head because good thing he was wearing a scratch helmet, and it bounced off and made a dent in the scratch helmet. Big dent. Safety tip number 101. Always stick with your buddy. Right there, he knows that Gloria is doing